Holy Connie. Oh, the weed's good. Oh, the weed's good. I'm sorry, boys, that Confederate flag, like that's fucking me up. I don't like that. Like he's doing a video right in front of it and back of it or whatever it is behind me. But, oh, yeah, good weed. Ooh, look, me glasses fucking up. Look. Is it? Yeah, it's fucking up because I'm a stoned.